Hello everybody, it's Tuesday, February 20th. I'm looking toward Versailles Avenue from where I live. This helicopter's been circling for a while, and I don't see anything going on yet on Pulse Point, but I'm hoping I caught the helicopter here. I'm gonna put this up on Facebook. It is right around 2:30 in the afternoon. It's facing me directly. I hope I have it in the camera. And going around again. I would say it's been up there 20 minutes already. Circling. I don't know anything going on because I didn't see anything on Pulse Point, which I have on my phone. All right. Maybe one of you out there might know. It's Tuesday, February 20th. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Take care.